Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Smart Console, an AI that co-creates projects with you. It offers a chat experience and not only understands Python, but also grasps the Abstra and entire context of your project. This results in usable code, speeding up project creation, and making programming more accessible for beginners. We're going to build upon the workflow established in the Abstra Start with AI tutorial video. Let's quickly recap the first stage of our reimbursement request form. We filled in the amount, name, and date, completing the first step that will be sent for manager approval. Now, let's revisit the Python code generated by the AI. In the bottom right corner, you can access the Smart Console chat. I'll type in an instruction. I would like to add a question about the sector with a drop-down, including sales, marketing, operations, technology, finance, and a justification field on the second page. In just a few seconds, it generates usable code. We will copy it, replace the old code, and save it. Let's run the form again. The first page remains the same, with amount, name, and date fields. Now it has created a second page exactly as requested. The first question is a drop-down for selecting the sector, followed by a justification question. After that, it concludes and moves on to the next approval stage. Besides generating code, Smart Console helps you debug your project. You can ask what's wrong and request corrections. You can also ask for tips to optimize your code, or a summary of what a particular piece of code does. And that's it. We've seen how easy it is to co-create a project using Abstra AI. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, please contact us on the Discover server.